Hi, I'm Sean, and I hope you guys are doing well. Today we're going to talk about the new feature that Adobe has included in their Photoshop 2021, which is sky replacement. This has allowed me to transform an image from looking like this into looking like this with only a single click. So without wasting much time, let's just quickly open my computer and check out the feature.
The first thing you want to do is to open the image that you want to sky replace. So in this case, it's this image. Go ahead and select edit and select sky replacement. So Photoshop will by default select the software pre-installed sky, but you have an option to select or to change that pre-installed sky and put your own custom sky. As you can see, there's already a difference, but I didn't use this one. In this case, I used the one I downloaded from the website FreePic. So just go ahead and click on this plus sign and go ahead and navigate the sky that you want to use to replace it. So I use this sky, open. Alright, so as you can see, the sky is already looking different, and this is exactly what we needed. So from there you can start color grading, matching the mountains that came with the sky replacement and matching them with actually the original mountains and the original plants that are here, and then you all know what the results look like. So that's it guys for today's video.
If you have enjoyed the video, don't forget to let me know what you think in the comment section. Hit subscribe button and show some love. Until next time, stay blessed.